Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a clean and realistic water shader in Blender using a simple workflow. We are going to keep it nice and straightforward and just focus on getting a really solid result without making things complicated. Before we start, a quick tip: make sure your scene scale makes sense. If your objects are way too big or too small, things can start acting weird and you might feel like your shader isn't working properly. Keeping a realistic scale just makes everything easier. Okay, let's start. This is our scene, lighting with an HDRI, and this plane should be our water material, and this is our swimming pool, which is a simple mesh. Let's remove this material and let's create a new material for our plane. Okay, here we need to go to shader editor and we have principal BSDF here. We don't need principal BSDF, so we can delete it and drag and add Glass BSDF. You can see the shortcuts here. Okay, that's fine. You can change the color to whatever you want. Blue is fine. Decrease the saturation, and that's good. Okay, for roughness you can put it on 0.02 and the IOR of water is 1.333. Now we need the bumps of water because it's so flat that we don't want it. So for normal we need bump, and you can press Shift A and add a noise texture. Connect the factor to height, that's fine, and uncheck this option. Okay, here you should make sure that in preferences and add-ons the Node Wrangler add-on is enabled. Select this node and press Ctrl T. Let's see the texturing. So connect the factor to surface to see the texture. Increase the roughness to 1 and we can increase the scale. It can be different numbers for every setting based on your scene, and so don't get confused about the numbers. You should reach it yourself based on your scene, but this setting works for me. Okay, the scale is fine. Let's see the final result again. We can see there are some bumps here. We can increase the strength or distance. I put the distance on 0.01. Let's increase detail a little bit, and we can increase the distortion to 0.2. That's fine. Let's add a volume absorption to adjust the depth of the water. You can change the color. I choose this color for that. That's fine. And if you increase the density, you can see the difference between this number or 0 I use 1.6 and that's it. Let's render it. I used cycles, GPU, and here in color management, filmic filter and medium high contrast is fine for me. And let's just render it. Press F12 to see the results. If it was useful, please like it and subscribe us to see more tutorials in the future. Thank you, see you later.